Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Alphacool Apex Stealth Metal Fan. This isn't just another case fan, it's a statement. Sporting a sleek gold finish, this 120 by 120 by 25 millimeters fan is designed for those who demand both performance and aesthetics. First impressions matter, and the Apex Stealth doesn't disappoint. The build quality is immediately apparent. It feels solid and well-constructed, a testament to Alphacool's commitment to quality. The metal frame adds a premium touch, setting it apart from the sea of plastic fans on the market. But looks aren't everything, so let's talk performance. This fan boasts a maximum speed of 3,000 RPM, making it a powerhouse for cooling. Whether you're overclocking your CPU or pushing your GPU to its limits, the Apex Stealth is designed to keep temperatures in check. The 4-pin connector allows for PWM control, so you can adjust the fan speed to find the perfect balance between cooling and noise. Speaking of noise, that's always a concern with high-speed fans. While the Apex Stealth can get loud at its maximum speed, the PWM control allows you to dial it back when silence is preferred. In most everyday tasks, you can keep the fan at a lower RPM, making it virtually silent. The specifications list a voltage of 6 volts and a wattage of 6.6 watts. This means it's relatively power efficient, especially considering its performance capabilities. The airflow is impressive, effectively drawing heat away from critical components. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the standard 120mm size. It fits easily into most PC cases, and the included screws make mounting a breeze. The 4.72-inch LX 0.98 WX 4.72 H dimensions ensure compatibility with a wide range of setups. Who is this fan for? It's ideal for gamers, overclockers, and anyone who needs serious cooling performance. If you're building a high-end PC and want a fan that can keep up with your demands, the Apex Stealth is worth considering. It's also a great choice for those who appreciate a touch of style, thanks to its eye-catching gold finish. However, it's not for everyone. If you prioritize silence above all else, you might want to look at slower, quieter fans. But if you're willing to trade a bit of noise for exceptional cooling, the Apex Stealth is a top contender. In conclusion, the Alphacool Apex Stealth Metal Fan is a high-performance, aesthetically pleasing option for those who need serious cooling power. Its build quality, PWM control, and striking design make it a standout choice in the crowded market of PC case fans.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.